Have you ever been to China? Let me ask.
嗱呢個就好，佢話佢呢個女子啊，你講得咁慢，好辛苦啊！聽啦，我淨問你，你有冇去過中國？因為好多美國西方嘅人不停喺度彈中國啊，話中國呢個，根本佢哋未去過中國，佢唔見睇 YouTube 都唔知，佢都冇睇話關於中國 YouTube 就不同人喺度亂咁講嘢嘅，所以呢個女仔都頂佢唔順啊！我話你有冇去過中國啊？唔該你，我問你啦。
No, I haven't. But I think that
佢冇咯。
there's a lot of social upheaval in the United States. There's a lot of political polarization, social polarization in the United States.
嗱，佢都承認喺美國好多嘢喺社會動盪啊，好多政治化、兩極化，好多社會嘅分裂啊，啲咁樣佢承認啊。
The United States has multiculturalism.
但係佢話：，我始終都係一個 multicultural， 即係佢叫多元化。但係其實你而家所謂多元化嗰係好假嘅，係白人就上邊，跟住就可以講係黑人咧，咁就跟住咧就可能係南美，跟住咧先到你亞洲人。亞洲人要睇下你係已經係喺美國嘅亞洲人，抑或係短期喺度嘅亞洲人。所以咧好多亞洲人都分好多挺過。南韓咧、日本咧就亦都高啲。中國人咧又要睇下你係咩嘅中國人啊，喺度已經住咗好耐嘅，就嗰啲中國人覺得自己就高等過你其他嗰啲中國人。所以如果你過去好短期啊嗰啲咁樣嘅中國人啊，或者乜鬼嘢咁難民啊，哇！你已經睇第五六個等嘅人民啊，唔好話公民添。你入一席嘅中國人咧，係已經係第5等或者第6等嘅公民㗎啦，係美國自己本身都已經有2個㗎啦。你有錢嘅一個階層，普通嘅一個第2個階層，再冇錢嘅就第3個階層，跟住到黑人咧又分2個啦，嗰啲係 professional 同埋唔 professional 嘅，已經咁跟住就南美亦都分幾層啦，先至到亞洲就分係日本、韓國啊，跟住先到你係中國咧就要你係已經入咗籍好耐嘅啦，哇！仲好驕傲自己係美國人，嗰啲中國就係一個階層，然後先至到你其他嗰啲中國人。但係佢中國人讀書唔入籍嗰啲係另外一個階層咯，佢唔使理你啊嘛，好似呢啲咁樣，我使乜理你啫？我讀完我就走，係咪？所以呢個所謂嘅多元文化係假得嘅，好假㗎。
Look, in China you have like Uyghurs and I don't know if I said that right.
佢淨係識得係維吾爾族咯，佢都完全都唔知啦。所以呢個中國女子又要一個糾正佢啊。
But there are different, like, I guess, ethno groups. I don't know if that's even like in China, but generally, like, the people in China, they're like Chinese heritage. Whereas here in the United States, like multiculturalism, I don't really think you have multiculturalism. In China, you have Chinese culture.
Yes, but we do have, like, India, like, we have a lot of different ethnic groups. Majority are, like, the Han ethnic group, which is what I am, but, like, there's a lot of different, there's like, a lot of cultures within China, too. I wouldn't just categorize, like, all of China into one Chinese culture. Like, depending on what region you're in, they eat different foods, they have different practices, different beliefs. They even look different. Like, people in the north tend to be taller than people in the south because of, like, climate differences. I don't think it's, like, all categorized as
所以其實呢個女子佢都好認識中國。我諗好多人都唔知道，其實中國雖然你話你係中國人啊、漢族啊乜，但係其實真係你係唔同嘅省份，你根本就係好唔同嘅。所以中國嗰個文化係唔係一個統一嘅文化嚟嘅？你嗰北方嘅北方文化同你廣州文化已經完全唔同啦，係咪？樣都唔同，完全唔同。好啦，你響係唔好講話係維吾爾族啦、西藏啦，咁有好多嘅係少數民族啦，淨係漢族都已經好多個文化啦。北方、南方，去到四川或者去到福建啊裏邊啊，或者係入到裏邊嗰啲叫做咩？總之係 inland 嗰啲咁都係唔同文化，但係中國甚至你香港同內地都已經係唔同文化啦，係咪？但係呢個係佢一樣係中國政府都係要你大家共同係和諧咁樣相處，呢個就係佢哋將個。但係其實咧，喺中國咧嗰啲少數民族咧， 響佢哋一孩政策嘅時候咧，佢哋基本佢可以係生2個定點樣多啲嘅，仲可以佢有好多優待嘅。所以呢個喺中國完全係冇一個歧視不同即係少數民族嘅嘢咯。但反為喺外國就有啦，你喺澳洲，我攞入嚟點解嗰度你要申報你嗰個咩嘅時候，你要講你係咪嗰啲佢叫做係咪本嗰個叫做 indigenous， 即係本地人啊啲咁樣咧？我點解你要分開你嗰個本地人？本地人意思係土人啊。所以澳洲嘅政府直情係對於土人咧，將佢完全係分開而論咧。咁土人已經係少數啦，已經澳洲本來係主要澳洲嘅人已經少數，但係澳洲政府直情係將佢你要申報嗰陣時，你要講明你係咪叫做係土人 indigenous。
I don't know if that helps.
Yeah. Well, I don't think China's fully caught up quite yet to the United States.
睇你嘅好，佢哋我哋叫好 bitter。中國佢都未係趕上美國咁樣。
I would say that China has a better. I think China probably has a better foundation for social cohesion than the United States does. So I think like the fall of the United States, I don't think is going to be external.
佢都承認佢話 fall of United States， 佢話美國衰落，佢都承認係衰落咗啦。
I think the fall of the United States would be internal.
Correct.
咁佢話唔係因為外部因素，係因為佢自己內部。即係佢話唔係因為你中國係超越我，所以美國科係因為 internal 咁到你已經仲大鑊啦。美國內部咁樣分裂係咪先？你外部超越反而你可以做翻好啲，你可以繼續，甚至冇話邊個超越邊個。但係你內部咁樣分裂咗係好大鑊。
Which I think would be very unlikely for China, for example. I don't think there's enough political polarization or social upheaval in China.
佢始終佢都講話中國冇呢個不同嘅叫做不同嘅對立。佢話定政治對立或者社會動盪仲好添，佢真係好似咁講啊！就是咧，你中國冇啊，你中國你嗰個極權統治意思差唔多係。
And so, by the way, I apologize. We're totally getting off fucking shady, fucking talking about geopolitics in China. I don't know, chat. What do you guys think? I mean, isn't it just true though? Like, we got a lot of fucking polarization, societal upheaval in the United States. China seems a bit more cohesive, a little bit among its populace.
佢都失望啊！講到美國同中國嘅分別啊，嗰個凝聚力嘅分別啊。
Isn't their education better? So I'm not sure, but I'm just.
Well, it is, but like the way they do it, like the system is like really detrimental to like students' mental health. It's like at the end of the day, like I guess you can say like China pumps out smarter kids or whatever, but like. Yeah, I think like their education system is something that I wouldn't really like.
佢呢個女子都好老實嘅。另外一個女主持人問佢咁但係嗰個中國嘅教育係咪好啲啊？咁佢話唔係啊，我都唔同佢唔認為中國教育嘅體系好啲，因為其實中國教育係都好辛苦啊，嗰啲細路讀書啊咁樣，佢哋係啦，甚至香港亦都嗰個讀書都好辛苦，又要補習又成，所以中國係取締咗嗰個補習嗰個行業啦，因為係變咗整到嗰啲有錢嗰啲就會係受到多啲嘅更加好啲嘅教育，嗰啲普通人就冇錢去補習就，但係始終係我諗中國嘅嗰啲讀書係比較辛苦啦，喺外國讀書係輕鬆好多，自由好多，對於細路係好啲咧，所以佢哋咪去睇。但係呢個我希望係咯，慢慢會有改變嘅啦。
Approve of, so like that's why I'm studying here and then like taking this knowledge back.
And would you argue that China like values STEM more than America does?
That I actually am not too sure.
They probably
so I
do.
Wouldn't say, but I
also the Chinese government has more control, way more control. Like for example, the Chinese government can kind of dictate. I believe Didn't the Chinese government? There's
呢個主持人講到啊，你中國政府啊好控制好強啊！佢仲有一輪講話嗰啲中國嘅男性變得太過娘啊，咁樣好似有啲咁樣。呢個其實另一個 issue 啦，即係我就覺得你睇下美國有冇咁多娘嘅男人？點解係搞到係喺韓國啊、日本啊先至講咁多嘅娘嘅男人咧？仲差唔多而家都想搞到去中國政府。如果中國政府唔再叫你啲人唔好咁娘咧，可能你啲好多個日本啊、韓國嗰個娘 culture 去咗中國，變咗嗰啲人係唔即係中國嘅男人就唔識打仗㗎啦，出去唔好講打仗係保衛個國家。而家啲日本仔日本男仔邊度想去保衛國家嘅啫？韓國啲都冇啦。咁但係你唔見美國有呢啲娘人，唔知點解喎？係咪先？呢個會唔會係其實嗰個響韓國同埋日本嗰個娛樂事好多都係美國嘅主導嘅啦，係咪？所以呢個大家可以諗下啦。
Something about how something like they were like, all right, these fucking little. Well, there was something like, okay, if you're on the algorithm on TikTok, and I guess it's named videos, they're going to push educational videos where it is, and like something proactive that the Chinese government is doing to like not rot the brains of their.
呢個政府主動係唔想嗰啲年輕人變得咁娘啊，個腦係腐蝕晒啊。
Youth.
You don't have access to everything on the internet either there, right? Because I had a.
OK， 係啦，差唔多啦，大家就係咁樣啦。就喺呢個好有趣嘅一個訪問啊，可以睇到喺西方啊、中國啊，而家好多嘅政治上邊嘅新嘅一個 issue， 嗰啲好多嘅 issues 啊，佢哋啲人佢哋嘅諗法啊，係點樣接受或者係接受唔到啊，同埋有啲年青人啊，而家開始知道識得分別係中國好定咩啊？或者甚至而家你講緊係谷愛凌啊，同埋另外一個滑雪嗰個叫做姓劉嗰個姓劉嗰個叫做 Alicia Liu 係咪？仲啱佢老豆出咗一個視頻就話佢老豆係以前係6·4嘅嗰個民運嗰啲領袖嚟嘅，就去到經過香港就去咗美國，咁就所以我係唔俾我個女係代表中國嘅，佢係好驕傲嘅對於美國。呢個亦都係帶出一個好新嘅一個將政治帶咗入去體育嘅一個範疇嘅，所以呢個係體育本來不嬲都係冇政治因素，係一個國際全世界大同嘅一樣嘢嘅。而家整體變咗，連體育你都有埋政治因素啦。你音樂唔好講啦，係講翻體育。呢個係一個好熱嘅一個話題，啱啊！好多人會繼續講緊啊，即係好不幸，即係咁講好不幸，即係呢啲好多嘢變咗咁政治化，好少嘅嘢都已經變，教育都變咗咁政治化，你都係相當係令人係難受嘅。咁呢個大家可以了解下中國、美國、西方好多嘅一個呢個年代一個相對立啊 conflict 啊，因為中國嘅崛起啊，中國人開始變得越嚟越即係叻，你以前係冇啲咁嘅機會，俾啲中國人變得係發揮嘅説話，而家變得發揮啦咁樣，好多嘢咧係西方人士係會好難接受咯。所以呢個視頻大家可以睇下，思想下。如果有咩意見，出聲喺下邊留言。如果你認為係俾你睇得好嘅，你可以點讚。我以後可以多啲俾啲大家有興趣嘅嘢，大家睇下。咁就大家係訂閱啦。多謝你哋。暫時係咁先。OK，多謝，拜拜。